Take 1 inch ginger piece. Organic ginger is preferable. Honey 4 tablespoons. Chop ginger finely. Now add ginger and honey in pot. Cook 5 minutes on low flame. Allow to cool in pot. Fill in jar. Keep in fridge. Use 1 teaspoon when needed. Use light lukewarm. This remedy is not for diabetic patient. Useful in sore throat, cold and cough.